In our first video, we see design a concrete mix as per IS 10262/2009. In this video, we have to study design a concrete mix of medium strength by DOE method. DOE means Department of Environmental method. In this characteristics cube strength means grade of designation is M30. Type of cement is OPC. Fine aggregate zone 3 and get from river sand. Coarse aggregate is crushed angular. Type of exposure mild condition. Degree of quantity control very good. Workability calculated by VB. It 6.12 second, not by slum cone. Test data for material. Specific gravity of cement is 3.14. Specific gravity of sand is 2.63. Specific gravity of aggregate is 2.61. Now step number 1. Target mean strength. Ft equals to FCK plus K into S. Step number 1 is same as IS code method. 30 plus 1.65 into 5. 5 is a standard deviation is calculated is take from table for IS 456. Target mean strength is 38.25 Newton per meter square. Step number 2. Selection of free water cement ratio. The one table is given. The approximate 28 days compressive strength. Type of cement is OPC or sulfate resisting Portland cement. Type of aggregate is uncrushed, crushed, strength 3 days, 7 days, 28 days, 91 days. We have to consider strength is for 28 days. And type of aggregate is crushed aggregate and cement is OPC. So crushed aggregate 28 days, the strength is 47 Newton per meter square. Graph between compressive strength and water cement ratio. Here I plot one graph, compressive strength versus water cement ratio. In this step number 2, we have to calculate selection of free water cement ratio. In table we get the crushed strength is 47. So we having a strength it is 47. So for in between 40 to 50 we get a 47 strength. For that we get a water cement ratio between 0.5 and 0.6. So we get 0.575 water cement ratio. For our target strength is 38.25. It is calculated in step number 1. Now our step number 3, selection of free water content. In step number 2 we calculate selection of free water cement ratio. In step number 2 we calculate ratio. Here we calculate water content. So here one table is given. Water cement kg per meter cube, slum VB. Our VB is in second 6.12. So here second we get 6 between 6 to 12. Our is 6.12. So we get here. And our aggregate size is 20. So for crushed aggregate we get 190 kg per meter cube water content. And also we take 10 mm aggregate is uncrushed aggregate for 6.12. So we get 180 kg per meter cube water content. Uncrushed type of fine aggregate WF maximum size is 10 mm. M30, our grade is M30. So for M30 we see 180 kg per meter cube, and for 20 mm size 190 kg per meter cube. Here one formula, WFW equals to 2 by 3 WF plus 1 by 3 into WC. 2 by 3 180 into 180, 1 by 3 into 190 equals to 183.33 kg per meter cube. 183.33 kg per meter cube is water content. Now step number 4, we calculate determination of cement content. Cement content equal to free water content upon free water cement ratio. Free water content we calculate in step number 3 is 183.33, and in step number 2 we calculate free water cement ratio is 0.575. So cement content is 318.84 kg per meter cube. Now step number 5, determination of total aggregate content. The formula is TA equals to D weight minus C minus W FW. D weight is weight density of concrete kg per meter cube. C is cement content kg per meter cube, and W is free water content. We calculate in step number 3. Here we don't know the weight density of concrete, so here one graph is plotted. Weight density kg per meter cube, it's we have to calculate. We know free water content. Our free water content is 183.33. So here between 180 and 200, our free water content is 183.33. So we know specific gravity of aggregate. Our specific gravity of aggregate is 2.61. So for 2.61 and 183 here, so we take this line horizontally. Here we get between 2300 and 2400 kg per meter cube we get weight density. So our weight density is 2365. TA. The TA is D weight minus C minus WFW. WFW is free water content. Now 2365 minus 318.84 minus 183.33, we get total aggregate content is 1863 kg per meter cube. Now we start step number 6, selection of fine aggregate content. VB test is 6.16 second. Free water content ratio is 0.575. This one graph is plotted, fine aggregate percentage versus water cement ratio. Here slum is 1030 mm, VB 6 to 12 second. Our zone is zone 3. For zone 3 we know water cement ratio is 0.575. We know zone 3. So here we got fine aggregate percentage between 31 to 38. So here average 31 plus 38 divided by 2 is 34.5 percentage. We get percentage of fine aggregate. Fine aggregate content equals to total aggregate content into proportion of fine aggregate. In step number 5 we calculate total aggregate content is 1863, and in step number 6 we calculate proportion of fine aggregate from graph is 34.5. So our fine aggregate content is 643 kg per meter cube. Now step number 7, calculation of coarse aggregate. So total is equals to coarse aggregate plus fine aggregate. total is 1863. We calculated in step number 5. In step number 6 we calculate fine aggregate content. So we having total and fine aggregate. So 1863 minus 643 equals to coarse aggregate. Coarse aggregate is 1220 kg per meter cube. Now step number 8. Per meter cube material for 30 grade. In step number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 we calculate cement is 318.84 kg per meter cube. Fine aggregate is 643 kg per meter cube. Coarse aggregate is 1220 kg per meter cube. And water is 183.33 kg per meter cube. If we have to calculate proportion of weight, so how it calculated? Here I giving some calculation. Here 318.64 it is cement divided by cement 318.64. So here we get 643. All we have to divide by cement content. So we get a proportion is 1:2 is to 2.02 is to 3.83. So in this video we learn DOE method, means Department of Environmental method of mixed design.